Good day everyone! Mayad-ayad nga adlaw sa atong tanan at magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Dave Campbell Canaan, a proud recipient of Pantawid Pamilyang Pilipino program. At para mas makilala niyo pa po ako, I will start with my personal background, then to my educational background, and lastly, my employment background. For my personal background, I was born on June 17, 1999 at Corocdos, Lawili, Aliosa, North Cotabato. I am the only son of Arnie Campbell Canaan and Henry Candolada Canaan. For my educational background, I completed my elementary education at Lawili Elementary School, where I graduated as the salutatorian, demonstrating my commitment to academic excellence from an early age. Continuing my pursuit of knowledge, I attended Pentil High School, where I graduated as a valedictorian. This achievement reflects my dedication to my studies and my ability to lead and inspire my peers. I furthered my education at the Notre Dame of Mensayep College, earning a Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. I graduated with honors as cum laude, which underscores my hard work and passion for the field of accountancy. My educational experiences have equipped me with a solid foundation in accounting principles and practices, and I am eager to apply it for my future endeavors. After ng graduation ko, sumama ako sa aking auntie nang galing from Mindanao papunta dito sa may Iloilo para maghanap ng trabaho. Luckily, I landed my first job at F. Guerra Construction Incorporated as an accounting associate. And I'm proud to say and sabihin na while I'm working in F. Guerra Construction, I earned my license and certification that include my Certified Public Accountant and Certified Tax Technician. Sadly, after 4 years and 6 months, I resigned and applied for better opportunity and apply as an accountant also of the construction industry here sa Iloilo City. But after 3 months, I resigned due to the better opportunities offered by the government. Last September, I reached another milestone in my career by joining the Bureau of Internal Revenue as a revenue officer in the Assessment Division, specifically in Revenue Region 11. This new role presented a unique opportunity for me to serve the community by ensuring fair tax assessments and contributing to the nation's economic growth. At bago po matapos ang video na ito, nais ko magpapasalamat sa Corpus team sa mga support and assistance na gi-provide to the family through the Pantawid Pamilyang Pilipino program. As a beneficiary, I cannot emphasize enough how much your program has positively impacted our lives. Your generous support has done only help us meet our daily needs, but has also given us hope and opportunity to pursue our dreams. The financial assistance for education and health has been a lifeline for us, allowing my family to focus on our studies and well-being without the constant worry of financial strain. I am truly inspired by your commitment to uplifting families like ours. Your dedication to making a difference in the lives of those in need is commendable, and it gives us the strength to strive for a better future. Thank you once again for your unwavering support and for the being in us. We are incredibly grateful for the opportunities you have opened for us, and we have to pay it forward one day by helping others just as you have helped us.